Hello there and welcome to Beauty Busters, where we test out internet beauty and products to see if it's a poop, a whoop, or a maybe baby, meaning it may work for some people and it may not work for other people. Wings. Recently on Beauty Busters, we tested the world's first self-styling hair curler, which by the way, I curled my hair with it, the Dyson air curler. I'm still loving it, but you guys already know my thoughts on that. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. But today we came across an even stranger beauty product. Are you ready for this? We came across Freck. So what the Freck is Freck? But hold up, for every Beauty Busters, I'm actually gonna be gifting you guys the product. I know, I'm like Santa Claus this year. And the only thing that you have to do is make sure you're part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that little bell. Once you do those two things, send me a screenshot of you doing that through Instagram right here, picking one of you and personally DMing you to send you the product. I just thought it'd be a little bit more fun, that way you guys can test it out yourself. So I first stumbled on this beauty product on Instagram. I'm kind of one of those people where like freckles are real cute, like real cute. Like they're stars on your face. They're like a little bit sexy, a little bit like, ooh, like she has a little extra on her face. I personally love freckles. Let me know down below if you are team freckles or team not freckles. Comment below. Hashtag team freckles, hashtag team not freckles. Freckles are kind of like the new black, right? They're like trendy, they're cool. They give your face a little bit of a swag. And you know what? I keep seeing influencers just like magically appear with freckles after like a year's time. And I'm like, okay, what are these people doing? How come no one is talking about this? So I came across this product on Instagram and I was like, dang, the freckle obsession is real, you guys. I mean, some people even go as far as tattooing freckles onto their face. Would you ever consider tattooing nice freckles onto your face? Let me know, I'm curious. I love freckles, they're like stars. I want to make a wish on them. So the product is actually called Freck. It's super cute. The packaging is really nice and like just tiny, but the Instagram is where it kind of gets me. So they claim to be the original freckle cosmetic creators, and just every single Instagram picture, I'm like, wow, they just look so natural. I've seen a lot of life hacks on how to create faux freckles onto one's face, but I'm always kind of like, either one, it's a little bit too much work, two, it really doesn't look that great. There's no like differences in textures or like colors. It just kind of all looks like dots. So I wanted to find a product that actually looked kind of natural, you know what I'm saying? So I found this one. All of the pictures look freaking incredible. I mean, these girls look beautiful. And I think the reason freckles have become so popular is because it literally looks like you are not wearing any makeup, because it's like your real skin is showing. It's like a beautiful imperfection that now is looked upon to be perfect. Today I wanted to test out Freck with you to number one, see, of course, you know, is it worth it? How easy it is to use, how long lasting it is. The most important one is how natural does it look, and will other people be able to tell that I'm just trying to freck it up? You know what I'm saying? No? Okay. Today we're gonna put them to the test to see if they're Beauty Busters approved. You guys get a really nice view right now of my gorgeous hairy armpit. I think the next video I should do is like a hairy girl gadgets video, because Lord knows I need it. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check out together what people are saying about this product. You know, what are people's opinions on Freck? Ooh, and I'm giving you that nice pimple angle. All right, so we're gonna go on Freck.com. The original, oh God, get on your email list. I cannot be the only one that hates this, okay? It's just like, no, I don't want to right now. I just want to check out the product. Freck.com, the original faux freckle cosmetics. So let's take a look. The one that I got, I remember I ordered this a while ago. Kind of expensive actually, $22 for Freck OG. It's quick, realistic, it's buildable, okay? Then we have Freck XL, which I'm guessing Freckles extra large right here. So this one is a little bit bigger. It's more buildable, twice the size. Then they also have other products for clay, so jelly, rich biatch. So Freck has a 4.4 out of 5 stars, which is pretty decent, I would say. Stars, let's go to 1 stars just to see. This is so bad. I'm embarrassed to have paid for 3 episodes of it, but this episode was the last I watched. What? Oh my Lord Jesus Christ. Don't unsubscribe. Freck is a TV show. Okay, this is really embarrassing. I don't know why, but I don't see any customer reviews on this cosmetic. There's nothing online. I don't even know what to tell you. But you know what? Let me go on their Instagram. My God, these pictures are gorgeous. Like, they just look so natural. I mean, the models are beautiful too. This, obsessed, love the diversity. Absolutely stunning, yes! And to think I spent most of my life trying to cover my all freckles up. They're just gorgeous. Like, look at that picture. Man, I want to do that right now. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. All right, so it came with this little pamphlet that pretty much explains the 4 steps to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a no makeup look. Pretty much where I do put on makeup to make it look like I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm natural AF, but really I'm wearing a ton of makeup. Here's my very dirty mirror. There's just like no filter today on this video. What I do notice with these types of pictures is like the girls' faces are flawless, and then there's just like nice little freckles. They have lashes on, they have eyebrows on, like they looking good. So I'm just gonna do a really quickie. I'm gonna use Farsalise Unicorn Essence. Ooh. Also, I invite you guys to follow me on Instagram. I've currently been doing a lot of really fun, hacky videos. Every once in a while, I will be popping in a little video, so check it out on my Instagram. So I'm gonna start off with foundation. I'm using the Makeup Forever HD foundation. Such a good one for pictures, and just in general, it looks really flawless. It's one of the only foundations that tends to match my yellow skin. And everyone thinks I'm so #blessed, but like literally, anyone saturates the pictures, I look like an Oompa Loompa. It's a blessing and also a curse. I'm using this incredible brush by Pure. It's like one of those Artiste brushes, which by the way, those are also one of my faves. I cover up that pimple, cover up that triple chin. As you age, man. I'm only 24. How cool are these earrings, you guys? They look like I have multiple piercings. I also like to take a little bit of that foundation and put it right over my eyelids. I don't know if I believe in primers, to be honest. I don't know if it's some kind of conspiracy. Some MAC, give me sun, baby. Gotta bronze up that skin, you know what I mean? Haven't been out in the sun in a while, you know what I mean? Hairy and proud. So taking a look at everyone on Instagram, there seems to be like this common feature, which is they have really nice, beautiful, bold brows. I'm actually gonna be trying out the soap brow hack. You're supposed to take your little spoolie, you're supposed to rub some of that soap on there, and I guess this makes your brows look a lot thicker once you brush them up. Oh my God, though. Wow. What? All right, we gave myself a nice, beautiful brow. Soap brow, not soap brow. Which do you guys prefer? Wow, what a good hack, truly. Now I'm gonna be using this Tarte Busy Brow. Fill in the brows, and then we're literally almost done with this look. It looks like I got my eyebrows literally done with the soap. Be going in with my literal favorite palette at the moment, the Natasha Denona palette. I go in with this really cute little shade. It's just like the prettiest orangey, bronzy color. I'm gonna be putting a little bit of this brown on the lash line just because I'm gonna be putting on lashes. I want it to look really nice. I'm gonna pop on some Ardell Wispy. All right, the lashes are on, and I'm just gonna top it off with a nice little blush. So you see what I mean? It's like a very natural yet nice features types of makeup look. I'm gonna put some lip liner on. This is Victoria Beckham's lip liner. I'm gonna use M Cosmetics lip gloss in Secret Blush. Now once we apply our freckles, our features are supposed to pop out more. Thumbs up if you like these types of beauty busters. I'm super excited to be doing more. And as always, you guys can always tweet me or Instagram me on Instagram or Twitter. Let me see how this smells. I wouldn't necessarily say like chemically smell, but you can tell there's something in there. Again, real quick, just to see what it looks like. Oh wow, they're kind of like, they're a little bit reddish. I'm gonna call Dennis and ask him if he wants to see me apply freckles. Because boys will always tell you the truth, whether it looks real or not.
Yeah, Natalie, what?
Hi, handsome, do you wanna see me apply freckles?
No, I don't want to apply freckles.
Come up here! I know, can you see me apply freckles? I just want to know your opinion on whether you think it looks real or not real. So Dennis is behind the camera right now. He's gonna be reading me the instructions of Freck. Oh my God, I'm actually so excited to do this. Freckles! I've always wanted freckles. Should I do a lot of freckles or should I do like minimal? Should I just go ham?
I think you should go minimal.
Minimal? I'm getting some of the product and removing a little bit of the excess, and I'm gonna go ham. So vertically, right?
Foundations is like really close together.
Really? Okay. Wow, that looks so cute.
And then pick another spot and do another 3 together. Go groups and then do it again.
All right, just going ham. I don't really get the vertical angle part.
So you don't touch it with the outside
2,
part.
3.
You're not really doing vertical.
What? How am I doing it then?
You're supposed to hold it up like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They kind of come off easily. Does it look natural?
Ish. You kind of like more technique.
Oh, here, why don't you do it then? I should.
Oh! Oh God.
Oh! Oh, there, it comes off really easily.
Hey, you're rubbing it on your quad, and then you can set it with powder or not.
It looks a lot better once you start tapping it in. All right, so check it out, guys. It kind of comes off. This kind of reminds me a little bit of like henna tattooing, where it kind of like sits on the skin, and then until you tap it in, it'll go away. Oh my God, these look gorgeous. Dennis is right, I need more technique. I got no technique. Like I always wanted freckles, lifelong dreams right here. They're so cute. I actually suggest tapping it in right away. It creates more of like a natural look because you got some of that brown on you. Those that look a little bit harsh, I'm just gonna pat it in a little bit harder. And I feel like it's kind of going away. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder just to see if maybe it's gonna make it less visible. Or maybe it just sets it. This is my sister. She's currently helping me make slime. She's been in a few videos before in the past. All right, what do you think about my freckles? Take a look.
They look a little dark.
A little dark? Do you think they look natural or no?
No.
They don't look natural?
No, because they look a little too dark.
Maybe I didn't do it right.
Like something fell on your face and you didn't clean it.
I think they look natural though. I don't know. You know, can I put some on you? Okay, so would you say this is a poop whoop or maybe baby?
Maybe.
Maybe, why?
Because it could probably work on people.
I think it just depends on like the technique, right?
It just doesn't look...
Let me do one.
No. Get that off my face.
Wow, it even has like a little bit of a staining power.
That's not good.
I personally think it's a whoop. Comment below, you guys, what you think, whether you think it's a poop, a whoop, or maybe baby. I personally think this is Beauty Buster approved, but like my sister over here, she thinks it's she thinks it's a maybe babe. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this by hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that little bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. My social media handles are right here. I'd love to hear what you guys want me to test out next. I'm actually thinking about doing like a period gadget video, so let me know, tweet me or Instagram me. This week's special shout out goes to Haneen Hadid. Love you, girl. Thank you so much for your comment. By the way, if you guys haven't watched the last video, I spilled some tea on something that I currently lied to you guys about when I went to Japan and faked a trip. So Haneen, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is make sure that you're the first person to retweet my tweets when they go live on Twitter. I love you guys so much. I want to wish you an amazing day, and as always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.